Introduction. Today, we explore a fascinating subject that connects deeply with the spiritual nature of our animals, focusing on the extraordinary abilities of one of our closest companions, the dog. You may not realize it, but dogs experience the world in ways that go far beyond our senses. In this video, we'll uncover 12 remarkable abilities that often escape human awareness. When we speak of a sixth sense, we're referring to a capacity that goes beyond the 5 traditional senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. It allows dogs to perceive and understand things humans usually cannot. This ability may show itself in different forms and can be challenging to explain clearly. Dogs are known for detecting small changes in their surroundings or in human behavior, even when nothing obvious is visible. This may include sensing emotions, energies, or vibrations outside our range of perception. For instance, a dog might grow restless around someone under heavy emotional stress, even if that person shows no outward signs. They may also behave differently before a storm, long before physical clues appear. In essence, this sixth sense is their natural gift to understand the world beyond our reasoning. It likely comes from a mix of instinct, heightened sensitivity, and a deep connection to the environment. Now, let's explore 12 fascinating ways dogs can see, hear, and sense the world. Subtle energies. Dogs have an extraordinary awareness of subtle energies and vibrations that often pass unnoticed by us. These shifts may be linked to people's emotions, spiritual presences, or the energy of a place. Dogs often respond to these changes, sometimes behaving in unusual ways. For example, they may become uneasy or restless during emotional tension or conflict. They might also react to specific areas of a home as if they sense something invisible. Though hard to explain in scientific terms, many dog owners are convinced of their pet's unique sensitivity. Some even believe dogs act as natural protectors, alerting or shielding their owners from harmful influences in the environment. The spiritual world. There is also the belief that animals, especially dogs, can sense and respond to spiritual entities such as spirits or unseen presences. Many consider dogs to be natural bridges between the physical and spiritual worlds. Their reactions may include barking, staring, or showing unease in spaces where no visible cause is present. Some explanations suggest dogs use their sharp senses or simply intuition to notice these spiritual influences. Their deep ability to read human emotions may extend to perceiving non-physical energies as well. Illnesses and changes in the human body. One of the most studied abilities is their talent for detecting changes in human health. Thanks to their powerful sense of smell, dogs can pick up on tiny chemical shifts in the body that we cannot detect. Research has shown that dogs can be trained to identify specific scents linked to illnesses such as cancer, diabetes, and epilepsy. For example, some dogs can smell changes in a person's breath or skin that point to cancer cells or drops in blood sugar. In many cases, dogs have even detected health problems at an early stage, sometimes before medical tests revealed them. 3. Illnesses and changes in the human body. Dogs' ability to detect illnesses and changes in the human body is linked to their extraordinary sense of smell. Their olfactory system is far more advanced than ours, allowing them to notice even the smallest chemical changes in people. Scientific studies have shown that dogs can be trained to recognize specific odors connected to illnesses such as cancer, diabetes, and epilepsy. For example, trained dogs may detect changes in a person's breath or skin that suggest cancer cells or blood sugar fluctuations. Remarkably, in some cases, they have identified these health issues before conventional medical tests. This unique skill highlights just how sensitive and valuable their sense of smell can be. Earth's magnetic shifts. Another surprising ability is dogs' sensitivity to Earth's magnetic field. Like many other animals, dogs appear to use this natural forced to navigate and orient themselves. Research suggests they may sense magnetic changes through specialized biological mechanisms, though the process is not yet fully understood. This ability could explain why many dogs seem to have a strong sense of direction, often finding their way home or navigating unfamiliar environments with ease. Their connection to Earth's magnetic field is yet another example of their remarkable sensory perception. Prediction of natural events. The idea that dogs can anticipate natural events, such as earthquakes or storms, has long fascinated researchers and pet owners. Many dog owners report noticing unusual behavior in their pets before major seismic or weather events. While science has not yet confirmed this ability with certainty, some experts believe dogs may detect early environmental changes, such as ground vibrations, shifts in the Earth's magnetic field, or changes in air pressure and atmospheric electricity. Others suggest they might sense subtle odors or signals linked to geological or weather activity. Although still under study, these observations suggest dogs may be more attuned to nature's warning signs than we are. Human emotions. Dogs are exceptionally skilled at reading human emotions, a trait many owners witness daily. They rely on a mix of senses, sight, hearing, smell, and intuition, to notice even the smallest emotional cues. A dog can pick up on body language, tone of voice, facial expressions, and even changes in scent. When they sense sadness, stress, or fear, they often respond with comforting behaviors like sitting close, licking, or leaning against their owner. On the other hand, if they sense happiness, they may become playful and energetic. This emotional awareness helps strengthen the bond between dogs and humans, offering companionship and support. Fear and negative intentions. Dogs also show a strong ability to sense fear and negative intentions in people. They are highly observant of body language, posture, facial expressions, and small behavioral cues that may indicate anxiety, hostility, or unease. They can also pick up on vocal tension, rigid movements, or changes in energy, which may signal an unfriendly atmosphere. In response, some dogs may become cautious, avoiding the person they find unsettling, while others may act protectively by staying close to their owner or warning the perceived threat away. This ability to detect fear and negative intentions demonstrates their deep sensitivity and instinctive role as protectors, providing owners with both companionship and a sense of security. 8. Weather changes. Dog sensitivity to weather changes is a fascinating subject that continues to draw interest from researchers and pet owners. Many have observed unusual behaviors in their dogs before significant weather events such as thunderstorms, heavy rain, or sudden shifts in temperature. Although there is no conclusive scientific proof that dogs can predict weather, several theories help explain their reactions. One possible reason is their exceptional sense of smell, which allows them to notice subtle changes in the air. For example, dogs may smell moisture before a storm or detect the scent of wet earth after rainfall. In addition, they might be sensitive to shifts in air pressure or other conditions that occur before major weather changes, which can affect their mood and behavior. Some experts also suggest that dogs respond to variations in atmospheric electricity or even magnetic fields, both of which often precede storms. These environmental cues may create feelings of unease, causing dogs to become restless or seek shelter. Imminent death. The idea that dogs can sense impending death has long interested animal behavior experts and owners alike. There are many accounts of dogs showing unusual behavior before a person's passing, such as staying close to their owner and displaying signs of worry or sadness. While science has not yet fully explained how this occurs, several theories exist. Dogs may detect subtle physical changes, such as shifts in body odor, energy, or facial expression that occur in severe illness. Their strong empathy and close emotional bond with owners may also allow them to sense a person's emotional state during a final stage of life. Additionally, Dogs are highly aware of changes in daily routines, so sudden differences caused by illness may alert them. Kex. Ultrasonic frequencies. One of the most remarkable traits of dogs is their ability to hear. Ultrasonic frequencies. While the human hearing range typically ends around 20,000 hertz, dogs can hear sounds up to 75,000 hertz or more. This means they can perceive high-pitched sounds beyond human hearing, such as the movement of insects, animal communication, or electronic devices like alarms and hearing aids. This ability may also explain why dogs sometimes react to what seems like empty space or become restless without an obvious cause, responding instead to ultrasonic signals we cannot hear. Their hearing range has also been applied in practical ways, such as training search and rescue dogs and designing ultrasonic devices specifically for canine use. Ultraviolet light dogs' vision extends beyond the human spectrum, allowing them to detect ultraviolet (UV) light. Unlike humans, whose eyes only perceive visible light, dogs have more rod cells in their retinas, which may enable them to register ultraviolet wavelengths. This sensitivity could give them access to additional visual details we cannot see. For example, they might notice traces of urine or bodily fluids that glow under UV light, providing extra information about their surroundings. This expanded perception helps explain why dogs often notice things invisible to us. A. The cosmos. Finally, there is a more speculative idea that dogs share a deeper connection with the cosmos. While not supported by scientific evidence, some believe dogs can sense cosmic or energetic influences, such as lunar phases, seasonal changes, or even planetary shifts. Because of their intuitive nature and closeness to the natural world, dogs may be more attuned to subtle rhythms of the universe, whether through sensitivity to moon cycles, environmental vibrations, or other celestial influences. This concept highlights the mysterious depth of their perception. We hope you enjoyed exploring these extraordinary abilities of dogs. If you found this video interesting, please leave a like and subscribe to Mental Do for more content like this. See you again in the next video.